Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, ShipStation and Salesforce. So the use case here is, whenever a new order is placed in ShipStation, automatically create lead in Salesforce. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So ShipStation is a SaaS shipping platform, whereas Salesforce is a CRM platform. The issue here is that these two software applications don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer the data from ShipStation to Salesforce. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as ShipStation to Salesforce. Now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in this workflow, we are going to integrate ShipStation with Salesforce. So here in Choose App, first I am going to choose ShipStation, that is this one. Okay, so now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a new order is placed in ShipStation, automatically add lead in Salesforce. That is why new order will be our trigger event over here. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever a new order is created in ShipStation, automatically add lead in Salesforce. That is why new order in ShipStation will be our trigger event, whereas creating lead in Salesforce will be our action event. So now I am going to click on Connect with ShipStation. Okay, so now in credentials you have two options. You can create new credential by entering the API key and API secret key. Or if you want, you can also select any existing credentials from here. So here I am going to let it be new credentials and I'll show you how to get your API key and API secret key. Okay, so now I'll go to my ShipStation account. So I've already logged into my ShipStation account and here I am going to click on my settings. Okay, so here in account you can see this API settings. Okay, so here I am going to generate API keys. So here you can see we have API key and API secret. I'm just going to copy my API key from here, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it. Now here you can see we have the API secret also. I'll copy it, go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. So now this API key and API secret key are going to help us to build a connection between ShipStation and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on Save. Okay, so now it is time to click on Save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got some API response over here. So this API response is of the last order that was created in ShipStation. So if you come down, you can see we have the details over here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'll go to ShipStation and I'm going to create new order and then we'll see if Pabbly Connect captures the data or not. So I'll go to my ShipStation account and here I am going to click on orders. Okay, so here I am going to create a new order. So I'll create a new order. Name is going to be Sophia Stanley, company TVS. Okay, first I'll choose the country India, state Madhya Pradesh, city Bhopal, okay, Bhopal, address okay, postal code, phone number, email sophia34@gmail.com. okay, save order. Okay, so I've created this order over here. You can see, let us check. You can see Sophia Stanley. Okay, now I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect and I am going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have captured the data over here. You can see the username is sophia34@gmail.com. You can see the name is here. If you come down, you can see the address and other details are also here. Okay, I'll go up. Okay, you can see the created date, modified date, order number, order ID. Okay, so now I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so now here if you come up, you can see in front of country, we have the country code and not the country name. So here, in order to get the country name, what we are going to do is we are going to add an action step over here. So I'm just going to save this once and I'm going to add an action step. So here I am going to put currency. Okay, now in action event, you can see get country details by country code. Connect with currency. Okay, so here I am just going to map my country code. So we have the country code. Let us see. It is here. Save and send test request. Okay, so now in API response, you can see we have the country name, that is India. Okay, so now I'm just going to save it. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of ShipStation and Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Salesforce and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button and here I am going to choose Salesforce. Okay, so now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new order is created in ShipStation, automatically create lead in Salesforce. That is why create lead will be our action event over here. Okay, so now I'm going to click on connect with Salesforce. So now under credentials, you have two options. If you want, you can go for new credentials by connecting with Salesforce, or if you want, you can also select any existing credentials from here. So I'm just going to connect with Salesforce. Here I'll just allow it. Okay. So now here you can see we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our response that we have got. So last name, let us see if we have the last name over here. Okay, so we don't have the first name and last name separately. So what we are going to do is we are going to split this name. And in order to do that, I am going to add an action step over here. So here in choose app, I am going to use the text formatter. And in action event, I am going to use split text. Connect with text formatter. Okay, so here you have to enter the text that you want to split. So I want to split the name. So I'm going to map the full name, that is here. Separator. So here I don't have any character in between. Instead, I have a space. So when you want to use space as a separator, you have to use this. So I'm just going to copy it, paste it here. I'll just remove the space. Okay. So now segment index. That means which part of the text do you want? Do you want the first part, second part, all part, or what? So I need all. That means I need the first part as well as the second part. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So now you can see we have got the first name and last name separately. So now I'm going to click on save. Okay. Now I'm just going to connect this again so that our workflow gets refreshed. Okay. So last name, let us map the last name. We have got it from API 3. Stanley. First name is Sophia. Title, I'm not going to put company. Yes, we have the company. Phone. Email. Description, I'll just write order placed in ShipStation. Let's see if we have other details. Okay. order date. Now I'll put full stop. Order status is okay, full stop. Okay, leave it. Now street, city, we have the city Bhopal. Country, we have got the country name from API 2, so I'll go down here. You can see India. Okay, save and send test request. So you can see we have got the API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration of ShipStation and Salesforce. So now let's go to Salesforce and check if a new lead is created there with the name Sophia or not. So what I'm going to do is I'll go back to my Salesforce. I'll go to my leads. So you can see we have Sophia Stanley over here. I'll just click on it. So you can see order placed in ShipStation. You can see the order date. You can see the order status. And you can also see the phone number, the email, the name, company, everything is over here. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to ShipStation and I'm going to place a new order. So I'll go back to ShipStation. I'll just close this and I'm going to place a new order. Name is going to be Emily Jordan. Company name Pabbly Connect. Address city. First I'll choose the country. Phone number, email. Okay, save order. Okay, so you can see we have successfully placed the order for Emily Jordan over here. I'll just close it. Now let us go back to Salesforce and check if a new lead is created there or not. So I'll go back to my Salesforce. I'll go back to leads. I'm just going to refresh this. Okay, so you can see Emily Jordan is over here and you can also see the Pabbly Connect over here. I'll just open it. Okay, so you can see we have the other details here. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from ShipStation to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Salesforce. So now every time a new order is created in ShipStation, automatically new lead will be created in Salesforce. And what we have done in our workflow is first we created new order in ShipStation. Then we took out the country details by country code. And after that we used the split text because we had to split our name. And at last we created a lead in Salesforce. So we have successfully finished the integration of ShipStation and Salesforce using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.